Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Detailed Recipes channel. I am preparing lamb ribs. To cover lamb ribs, I separate the arm part of the lamb. I will not use this part. It will only be the ribs. I also separate the lamb neck part. Now, using a hatchet, I cut the rib in half. I prepared it by cutting lamb ribs. I take the lamb ribs that I prepared before from the freezer and add them to a large pot and add cold water and let them sit like this overnight. After one day, the frost has dissolved and the blood has come out. There are 20 pieces of lamb ribs here, which means that they are parts of at least 5 different lambs. Now I'm taking the ribs out of the bloody water. I will add the ribs to the pot and boil them for 10 minutes to get rid of any bad smell. I boil it immediately on high heat, and it is necessary to always skim off the foam that rises on top. After boiling for 10 minutes, I take the ribs out of the water. Since I will fry the lamb ribs in oil, I wait for the water to drain thoroughly in a strainer. I add oil to a large pot. I place the lamb ribs into the heated oil and fry them well, front and back, right and left. I turn the pot left and right in this way so that the hot oil reaches everywhere. I put the fried lamb ribs into the pot. Do not cover it. After sealing the lamb ribs, we now move on to the cooking phase, which will take 3 to 4 hours. I add the ribs to the same large pot. I add garlic, onion, and carrots. Leaf of Daphne, cumin, sugar and salt. I set the salt rate as 8 grams for 1 kilogram of meat. I add boiling water. I will boil the lamb ribs this way for 3 hours. I add soy sauce, some black pepper, I add water as it decreases. It boiled for 2 hours, now let's continue boiling for 1 more hour. Three hours are done, but it is not fully cooked. I add it to the baking tray. I add the rib juice to the baking tray and add a little more water. I cover it with foil and wait in the oven for 1 hour at 180 degrees to Fahrenheit. If there is not enough browning after 1 hour in the oven, you can uncover and roast for another 10 minutes. I serve it after adding thyme on it. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.